Good morning. I hope you're all well. So today is a training day where we're going to learn how the biogas that we installed here at Belgium, the Belgium embassy, your place, how it is and how it's going to run and how we're going to make it work. So we'll go through the various models, the various stages we have done from the biogas digester. The same way we receive waste and ground it, put it in the biogas digester. Then the gas is produced and piped to different points, and then you using it in the different points. On the same note, we're also doing the maintenance. I'll share with you how the maintenance is going to be done, for what period of time, and in what sequence. Then in case you have any question, hey, feel free to ask. Okay? On that, also add the monitoring system, nitaonyesha how you can be able to monitor the system being used and how it's being used for a long period of time and for what duration. So it's going to be an interesting day. Wacha tuende tuone, si ndio? When you receive the feed, you mix as you shed it with water. And when you mix as you shed, that is it tunasema vitu kama there is the vegetable part. You'll reduce the citrus foods, whatever is coming in. As you saw, we have bunches of vegetables that are packed. They are packed in bundles, indio. So your kamba, you take it out because IOZ. Any plastics, you put it aside. Those will not give you gas. They'll not decompose. So all that is grounded, mixed with water, kwa mashini. Then it's in form of this stage, which is in a pulp form. So mtani mix here, alafu 1 bucket per digester. Tuna feed naingia ndani ya digester, it produces the gas that we have. Then the gas is what you'll see in the balloons. That's why it's full. Then the gas, using the system here, the gas system going to the different points, it's going to be distributed. A biogas digester is a total waste management tool. When you say waste, we are trying to change that notion of from waste to untapped organic resources.
So it is everything.
So for this, we'll reduce the citrus foods for this particular type of digester. So we'll reduce citrus foods, nasema things like lemon. Yeah, you'll reduce them, avoid them. If they are there, they're in very small percentages, that's fine. But you don't need to put like a whole bucket full of organic citrus fruits, for example, because if you put too much of them, the system will turn acidic. What do I mean acidic? Once you put things that are very acidic in the system, it kills the biogas production. If you put more produce that is full of citric juices, what happens? It kills. And it will take long for it to convert. Yes, it will convert, but it will take very long. So moving on, the smart meter is here. This is the smart meter. We have a power on and off here. Then here we have a monitor where you can be able to maneuver, and small interface where you can be able to see what is happening. You can see the volume of gas being used, the rate at which it's being used, and how it is being used through here. So this sends a signal. It sends an updated signal to the website where one can be able to see how it's running, how it has been used for what period of time. It will show you that figure. Every gadget you have needs to be maintained. So this is part of maintenance. So once in a while, you will check the outlet, make sure there is no blockages. So this kind of plumbing unit helps you to, every month, at least once a month, it's flushed, where all this residue goes and there's nothing that settles in the pipe. The biofertilizer is a very good supplement, fertilizer for the crops. You can use it in various ways. One, you can directly apply to crops. It doesn't burn. And you can even have it not diluted and directly put in the crops. Now, by crops, you can put it on grass, on lawns, on vegetables. Because rather than you going to buy supplements, this is supplement enough. If you want to put it on irrigation system, you can be able to mix it with water and pump it to the irrigation system with sprinklers if you're doing commercial farming. the biogas produces two major things. One, beyond that, just gas, it gives you biofertilizer. So this is basically what we have. It's more of an earthy smell. So it's very, very good. And you can see I can handle it. You see, this is not chemical fertilizer where I'll tell you need to put on gloves. There's no need of gloves. This is organic. For those who are doing tea, bananas, avocados, those doing vegetables farming, it's very good. It's very good for leafy plants such as spinach, terere, managu. Very good. Very, very good. So what happens is very simple. Once you turn it on here, it comes on standby. And immediately the water is turned on in the shower. Right now somebody is taking a shower. The gas from that point comes in, gets to the pump. The pump is on standby once you turn this on. And there are sensors inside to confirm if there is somebody taking a shower. So the gas comes in through the pump and goes into this meter, this heater box, a shower. So right now it's at 39 degrees. And the flame is here. You can be able to see the flame. Yeah. It burns with a clean blue flame. Once you turn it on here, the pumps are on standby. You'll see the light coming blue, then goes off. Turning on blue and then goes off. It's on standby. If somebody goes in there, it comes on again.
Okay.
So what happens when you are in there, as you are inside there, you open the tap. The water starts flowing. It has an igniter. Okay? That igniter is turned on. There are batteries here that actually turn on the igniter. The batteries here. They turn on the igniter that lights the flame. In case you've forgotten to turn this off and you've left the shower and you've closed the water, it will shut off because there's a sensor inside the bathroom that will automatically switch off. That's a default feature. But kawaida, normally we advise people from shower, you turn off the sockets. This is the biogas burners. So you'll be able to hear in a talker, the gas is coming out. Now, with time you'll see you'll get the smell. It'll tell you it's leaking. But if you turn this on, nikiwasha hapa, it's very safe. See, this is on. The gas is leaking, it's not exploding. I need to come this close for it to light. It's very, very safe. In blue. Many people will say biogas can be used also for lighting. It's doable. But you need to add impurities in it to give you light. The blue flame is among the hottest flames you can get. So that's why it's really good. It does not produce as much noise as the other kinds of gases, but it's very hot. You'll still cook your githeri vizuri sana on it. They're running very nicely, and we are able to turn a very small chunk of land to produce gas to use, zero waste and smell from the neighboring, from the waste that has the organic resource that has been left untapped. We've been able to tackle the industry of waste, and now we're moving to the next phase of management. With biogas, as you can see, they can easily cook. You can run your generators of it. You can use it on instant hot waters, as you can see in the Belgium embassy. Also, you can use the same to cook for schools and places with high energy demands, similar to schools, which is our hotels and institutions. Factories can be able to use all this and get to the place where they are energy sufficient to do other things. And guess what? Slowly but surely, everyone is moving to the next space of this management. Let's have this going. Let's make it zero. Let's follow the Belgians in the net zero embassy channel.